Okay guys, here we go. Look, we're going to have some tea today. Fortnum & Mason's Royal Blend. And we'll make it in our teapot. I need tea. Coffee's not going to cut this today. So we've set that aside to brew. And let's crack on with the snackerage. In you go. Oh, actually, I'll put it that way. Get in there. And here we are, guys. I'm going to enjoy this. Let's head into that den and have that there shave. How's it going? How you all doing? Let me try and get that down there a bit like that. There you go. How are you doing? First off, apologies for no shave on Wednesday. We had a bit of an emergency. Samantha took ill. Samantha's had long-term illnesses her whole adult life. And she had a little flare-up on Wednesday and we ended up in the hospital. All is well now, but I just didn't have time to do the shave. So as you can see, check this out, look. Hey, we're going to take that bad boy off today. Okay, here we go. Look, come on. Snackerage. Well, you saw it, didn't you? Beautiful piece. As I record, what time is it now? It's 5 o'clock Friday evening. That's got real English, slightly salted butter on there, guys. And you saw the Fortnum & Masons, didn't you? Cheers, everybody. Happy weekend. Oh my word, wonderful. Let's crack on with this shave. The brush, check that bad boy out. That's Wolf Whiskers, made by Peter Wolf himself. There you go, that's a 26mm Black Wolf. I was trying to think then. Black Wolf knot. We're going to put that in the official John Shave Super Soaker. Get some water in that brush. The razor today, have you seen it? By request, we're going to be using a gem style razor today. This is a 1950s gem. Can you see gem there? Let me pick it up. I'm sorry. I've only just had a shower and this bathroom is roasting and very, very damp, so my glasses may steam up. Push razor, you gently push that and that springs open and you put these gem style blades in there. So you slot that in there. There you go. And can you see? There's two little notches on either corner at the front here. I'll try and get it so you can see it. And they hold the razor in place. And then you push it back. And it's locked. Look at that bad boy. Sitting in there nice and flush. What can we say? Hey, look. Hey, check that out there. You're an artist, John. We'll bang that in there. We'll get that in the hot water. Get some... Oh, my word. Oh, what a week. And then we're going to balm up with this Arco. Thought we'd keep it orange. Shave and Splash, courtesy of Charles from Chuck's Shaving Channel. There you go, he sent me these. Thank you, Chuck. Go and check his channel out, guys. Chuck's Shaving Channel. Chuck's one of the good guys. This is Van Yulay MYCROFT. Not your Croft. Sure you've never heard that one before. It's MYCROFT, not your Croft. There you go. Now, I forgot to bring the tablet in. The scent notes on this. Look at this pour, guys. Look at that pour. Absolutely. I forgot to bring the ball in as well. So you'll have to bear with me. But basically, what I pick up sweet orange citrus and pipe smoke mixed together, and it smells absolutely divine. It really, really does. That's what we're going to be using. I'll just nip in there and get a ball. What ball? What ball shall I get? You decide. What did you figure out? What did you think? Eh? See? Even they're on the way around to tell me what they thought it was. There you go. We went with the Razor Company's Captain America ball. I've already took a little bit out, scooped it and spread it about in there. The scent strength on this, guys, I would put it about a 6. Very, very nice indeedly. There you go. So what we will do, I'm going to get just slightest little bit of hot water on that. Just loosen that up and get things going. That's it actually, isn't it? That's it, we start the shave. Oh. Do you know, my life, come on, we'll take this watch off. My life is like, you know, dominoes all lined up. It only takes one to fall, and all the others behind it just seem to go as well. Oh, but there you go. But enough, it's good. Come on, we've got the weekend. We're shaving eventually. You're here, I'm here. Let's go. I've got to stop myself from saying, let's go, Brandon. I'm sure I said that and somebody said, John, that's not a good thing. I don't know. There you go. Nice and wet. In there. So, how are you doing? How's your weekend going thus far? Because it'll be Saturday when you see this. So what I'll do is I'll tell YouTube to make this live around about midnight tonight as we head into Saturday. So depending on what part of the world you may see this, if you live way over on the west coast of America, you may see this Saturday, early Saturday afternoon, you know. But yeah, so we're all doing okay now, you know. Work have been great. I got back from the hospital about 2:30 in the afternoon, well, 2:15 in the afternoon. In the morning, tried to go to sleep, couldn't because I knew I was so tired. If I fell asleep, I'd have missed the alarm, so I got up, I went in work. God, I was absolutely wrecked. And work said to me, listen, just do these 2 necessary things and then go and get some rest, so I appreciate that. Here we go, look at this. Van Yulay, look at that. Camera doesn't light. It's very, very slick, guys, because when I put some in the bowl and then wash my hands before I put it in the camera again, it was very, very slick. Now this reminds me of something. For the life of me, I can't remember what it is. But hey ho, it is what it is. Check that out, look. Woo-hoo! And we weren't whipping up for long, were we? Razor. Oh, it's tickling my nose. See what I mean? I'm sweating like a bull. Oh. Oh, I know I repeat myself, but I probably told you. I used to deliver furniture. And I was delivering this mattress to this old woman's house. And it must have been 94 degrees Fahrenheit in Ordnance, guys. It was roasting. It was like people passing out in the street hot. It was ferocious. And she'd ordered this mattress, it must have been £1,000, about 2005. And it was 6 feet long and it was about 3.5 feet wide. And it must have been that thick. And I don't know what they'd made it, but oh my word. It was so heavy. The other guy that I was with couldn't lift his end. So I got this mattress, managed to get it up on the shoulder. And she lived in like some old folks homes gated community. And he ran ahead and he said, he's coming with a mattress, Kev. And we walked in. She had a fire on. We walked into the bedroom. Oh, guys. I was sweating. Right, so anyway, we have to unwrap it and put her old mattress in the big plastic bag that the new mattress came in and take that away with us and put her old mattress on. That was all part of the service. And she's there, this old dear, looked like a cross between Joe Biden and a fat pigeon. And we're putting this, and it was ferocious, and she's going to her friend. Oh, look at him, Elsie. Sweating like a pig. Like, oh, he's sweating like a pig. Do you know? All dear or not, you are going to get knocked out if you carry on. Do you know when you were roasting hot and nothing was going right? And the plastic was slipping out of my hands. And, oh. Yeah, so. Yeah. That's it. I don't know why I've chose that, because I'm sweating now. Sweat like a bull. Pigs don't sweat. So there you go. Bradley told me that. Thank you, Bradley. So please let me know what your shave of the day is. Let me know. What is that I'm picking up from this? It's a very, very familiar scent, that. Just cannot quite put my finger on it. Yeah, so let me know what you think of today's shave. Have you used any of the products in today's shave? Oh, will you use any of the products? I know I've used Yulay before. I'm being quiet because I can't, I'm deaf in this ear. I can't remember what, was that did someone just knock on my door? I'm not expecting anybody, so. It'll either be the police or a bailiff. Oh, that's it. Do you like this razor? What do you think? Another eBay find this, guys. I paid something like £5 for this. And I have to too. It's an exceptional shaver, and that's one of the blades it came with. It came with a little clear Perspex box that's got about 5 blades left in it. Yeah. Absolutely wonderful. So, let me know what your shaves of the day are. Oh my word. Let me know if you've used any of these products. It's just really stuff YouTube recommends you say stuff like this. I'm genuinely interested anyway. But it's algorithms. It's all about algorithm. The more you interact, the more you like, the more you subscribe, the more you comment, the more I answer you. It all feeds into a big giant algorithm machine. And I've probably said it before, the way YouTube works is if nobody's watching your videos, it doesn't push them. It doesn't. But the more views you watch, the algorithm picks it up and says, well, people are interested in it. So they start pushing it and putting it on people's home pages and so on. So I've been told. Oh, John, stop waffling. I can't. I'm trying to distract myself from the heat in here. Having a shower was not a good idea, but I'll be honest with you guys. I was so dry, so crispy, so tired, so deflated. I think I have to do something. So I jumped in the shower. And it worked. Can you hear that? Can you hear it? I'll see if I... That's a traditional gem blade. Persona, I think. It is razor sharp, if you'll pardon the pun. Yeah, wow. Yeah. Wow, I don't know. I don't know if it's because I had so much growth. That's phenomenal. That is absolutely phenomenal. I could go at that. But we'll do a lot of mittens. Woo! There you go. And we'll have a feel about... There's nothing. The usual suspects here. and maybe just a little bit there that I've missed. But that is a phenomenal shave. Wow. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm not a fan of old razors. But I'll tell you what, that is an absolutely phenomenal shave. It truly is. Very, very satisfying. Indeed. Oh, right. Let's get there. Whoa. Oh my word. Sweating like a bull in a china shop, carrying a big fat mattress. Look at this, look. I mean, that is BBS. That's job interview standard, that, guys. That's really, really good. I'm absolutely delighted with that. Okay, let's have a look at this and see what we get from this. Oh, right. I'm trying to flip the cap and it goes up like that, though. We'll put that in. We'll put that back down there. Yeah, right, this is heavier on the pipe smoke. Very, very nice. I think the soap is heavier on the orange scent. I get an orange citrus, like a sweet, flowery citrus scent from that one, the soap. But this, much more pipe smoke. We'll put a little bit of this on. Not much, because I'm going to be wiping it off in a minute. I feel like... Oh, yeah, that's a very, very, very good combo. There you go. And that's us. Oh. Jeepers creepers. Nothing ever goes right. Nothing ever goes smooth, does it? You know, when one thing goes wrong. There you go. Check that out, guys. Look. We did okay, didn't we? We got a shave. Now I'm going to cool down. I'm going to have the rest of my toast, a cup of tea, cool down, and then we'll edit and we'll upload this. Thank you for all the likes and comments. I'll do a prize draw for the comments on this. I'll just randomly pick somebody, and in the next video you'll get told you'll claim your prize. Then the video after that we'll do another one, and we'll keep going until we get rid of all these goodies. That's it. Look after yourself, look after each other. Remember, be the change that you want to see in the world. And then you've actually changed the world, haven't you? I will see you on Wednesday for a shave. Bye.